Our guests will all soon reach the venue, alight from their cars and walk towards Adiyogi, where they have a few ceremonies to do. If you recall, ladies and gentlemen, in 2017, the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, had unveiled this consecrated, glorious 112-foot face as a tribute to Adiyogi's unparalleled contributions to humanity, which is today the largest of its kind in the world and recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records. The Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore. Sadhguru has also consecrated and established a 112-foot Adiyogi at Sadhguru Sannadhi, Bengaluru, and a 21-foot Adiyogi at the Isha Institute of Inner Sciences in Tennessee, USA. The sounds of Isha chanting in his honor.